Welcome to Lake Forest, a peaceful, pet-friendly community nestled in the heart of Pinellas County's Equestrian area. This beautifully maintained 2-bedroom, 2-bath, tri-level townhouse features the perfect blend of comfort, style, and location. Just steps from Helen Horwath Park, the scenic Equestrian Trail, and the Forbes Recreation Center, this home is surrounded by nature and convenience. Step inside to find an open, light-filled layout featuring vaulted ceilings, skylights, and a spacious sunken living room. The upgraded kitchen boasts LG appliances, maple cabinetry, quartz countertops, and a cozy eat-in breakfast bar overlooking the dining area. Enjoy your morning coffee on the screened-in back porch or unwind on the private balcony of the primary bedroom, both with tranquil views of the lake, complete with ducks gliding by. Upstairs you'll find 2 spacious bedrooms with brand new carpet, high ceilings, and generous closet space. The primary suite features a custom ensuite bathroom with a glass walk-in shower and a serene lake view. This home has been thoughtfully updated with all new plumbing, a new dishwasher and disposal, new doors in every room, and a 2023 water heater. The building received a new roof in 2023, and the home is cooled by a 2.5-ton Carrier AC system installed in 2022. The deep single-car garage includes a new opener and workbench, perfect for storage or weekend projects. Lake Forest offers lush landscaping, dog parks, picnic areas, a heated pool, spa and clubhouse, and yes, cats and up to 2 dogs are welcome here. The HOA covers cable, internet, water, sewer, trash, building and roof maintenance, and professional on-site management, making life here easy and affordable. Located near dining, shopping, major roads, and just a short drive to the Gulf beaches, this move-in ready home is a rare opportunity and a fantastic value. Don't miss your chance to own in one of Pinellas County's most desirable communities. Schedule your showing today.